And hello, Joli here again. I'm back. Of course, I wanted to show you how to remove your makeup using Joli Natural Skincare products. Now, you don't want to use soaps and things like that because that will dry out your skin too much. You really want to look after your skin. Keep yourself looking as youthful as possible for as long as possible. So starting off with some whipped cream moisturiser. You can use light or rich cream. I just happen to have whipped cream on hand at the moment. So apply it to your fingertips, press together. I've got probably a decent amount there, and then rub it on the eyes. In fact, I'd say I have too much moisturiser on my hands. One finger's going to be enough to do both. You want to get a wet cloth. You want to use moderately warm water. Now, how good is that? Obviously I can do another wash again, but it's come off really well. Without drying my skin and also moisturising. Especially the eye area, it's delicate. You don't want to be drying that out and causing yourself unnecessary wrinkles. Such a wonderful, wonderful way to remove your makeup. And for your lips, I mean, you can just wash them off. If you had a lipstick like this one that has stained your lips, the moisturiser will help. I guess it's kind of like a mini cold cream application. Just for your eyes and your lips. It's also a good way to remove mascara as well, because mascara can just keep bleeding for days once you've got it on. It can be hard to remove. Whereas this method here, hey presto, fresh as a daisy. Is that the same? Anyway, thanks for watching.